Okay, I wet these things. Now what I did is I have these little pins. You can find these little pins at Walmart or anything like that, and these little pins, like pin cushion pins, and they've got the little eye, the little head on them, little small one. You can get them with a larger head, but these are the small ones. And I used those, I cut those and put them on the eyes of the little bird. Okay, just drill me a little hole and sunk my little pin in there is all, just to give it kind of a look. And kind of do that just a little bit more right there, just so we could get that kind of stuff rolling. Okay, well, the little bird, he's just a little bird is all. He's not, we can kind of go a little bit more on how the tail looks, in other words. But all it is the little bird just sits on the apple like that, in other words. Just sits on it like that. And when we get him all painted, it'll be cute, in other words. It'll be very, very cute. And, oh, man. Yeah. I dropped it. I didn't mean to get in on... I wasn't trying to say anything bad about this generation not having stories, but I think people have... and maybe people that go to the movies today don't want stories. I don't know. Maybe I'm different. But anyway, and look at that. Now it's going to sit on there like that, in other words. The little bird. And when we get it painted, it'll look really cute and everything like that. So that's our little, and like I said, when we get it painted on this little stand, that's our little bird sitting on the apple. And that is very, very small. The apple, like I said, is only about 1.5 inches, and the bird's only about 1.25 inches long by 3/4 inches wide, and the apple's only about 1 inch wide. So it's just a cute little deal that we're gonna make, and you'll see when we get through with it. And this is a combination of a small gift that you can make for to give away. Okay. Thank you now.